Your living room is so much more than just a place to sit. It is the true heart of your home. It is the space where you reconnect with yourself at the end of a long day, gather with the people you love on weekends, and quietly restore your energy before tomorrow begins. In 2026, the most luxurious homes are not defined by dramatic renovations. They are defined by how they feel the moment you walk through the door. Today, I am showing you how to create a multi-sensory living room sanctuary. It is a calm zone that actively supports connection, presence, and deep restoration. It is where your entire home finally feels complete. And the best part is this: it does not require any construction at all. It all comes down to 5 intentional sensory layers. First is visual calm. The living room is often the first space guests see and the last one you occupy before bed. Start by choosing a soft layered neutral palette of warm beiges, creamy taupes, gentle grays, and subtle terracotta accents. Edit surfaces ruthlessly. Keep coffee tables minimal, use hidden storage, and favor organic shapes. Bring in biophilic touches like sculptural plants, natural stone, and textured wall art. When your eyes rest on harmonious layers instead of visual noise, your nervous system naturally begins to soften. Second is textile touch. Touch is one of the fastest ways to signal safety to the body. Layer your seating with luxurious tactile textures that invite you to linger. Drape a sumptuous cashmere or Italian wool throw over the sofa. Add oversized linen or boucle pillows in different sizes and subtle patterns. Place a thick, high-pile area rug underfoot that feels beautiful even barefoot. These soft textures do not just look beautiful. They turn ordinary sitting into a full sensory experience of comfort and presence. Third is scent zoning. Nothing shifts mood faster than scent. Create a dedicated candle zone on your console table or coffee table using a signature scented candle and grounding notes of sandalwood, vetiver, or warm eucalyptus. Pair it with a subtle reed diffuser or room mist placed away from high-traffic areas so the fragrance gently fills the space. When the soft glow of candles meets a beautiful evolving scent, your living room stops being just a room. It becomes a sanctuary that greets you the moment you step inside. Fourth is sound and light layering. Sound and light work together to change the entire energy of the space. For sound, introduce gentle ambient layers such as a small tabletop water fountain, soft instrumental playlists, or the occasional low crackle from a decorative fireplace. Keep the volume low enough for easy conversation. For light, use layered sources, warm floor lamps, dimmable table lamps, and the flicker of candles. Avoid harsh overhead lighting in the evening. The goal is a warm, enveloping glow that deepens presence and connection. And fifth is gentle movement and airflow. A living room should feel alive, not stagnant. Incorporate tall plants that sway softly in the breeze, sheer linen curtains that move naturally, and strategic air circulation. Open windows when the weather allows or use a quiet ceiling fan on its lowest setting. Fresh air combined with gentle movement keeps the energy circulating and prevents the space from ever feeling heavy or closed in. Here is a quick start checklist you can save and come back to. Choose a cohesive neutral and texture color story for the entire room. Add at least 1 luxurious throw and 4 to 6 varied pillows. Create a dedicated candle and scent zone. Install dimmable lamps in 3 or 4 locations. Add 2 or 3 statement plants for gentle movement and biophilic calm. And finally, edit surfaces until the room feels spacious and serene. Your living room is no longer just a space to sit. When designed with all 5 senses in mind, it becomes the calm zone where your entire home finally feels complete. It is a place for meaningful connection, quiet reflection, and daily restoration. Thank you for being part of the Flatiron Home Sanctuary series. I cannot wait to show you what we create next. Visit flatironhome.com.